Good morning everyone. I am back here at the airport because I am going to Iloilo today. I have my coffee and my water with me. And I'll be giving a talk there with the Archdiocese of Haro for their social media summit. And I'm so excited to be meeting the participants and everybody. So I'm now in Iloilo and I'll see you later. I'm going to go home now and get some rest and sleep and yeah, bye! Hello! Hi. I'm with IA again and we are waiting for Julie. Late na naman siya.
Yeah. Julie, where art thou? Ay, gutom na.
We are hungry. Gutom na kami. We are in SM City, Iloilo, and we don't know where to eat.
Kita si Mom yan.
Ah, diba?
Happy Teacher's Day,
Jess.
Mom.
Happy Teacher's Day. We are now here at Jamie's. So we ordered the smoked salmon salad, the butter garlic shrimp, ano pa, spaghetti bolognese, and sizzling garlic chicken because this friend of mine doesn't eat pork or beef. But we ordered spaghetti, so wala si choice.
No shrimp, squid.
No shrimp and squid, but we ordered the butter garlic shrimp.
Exception. For us, it's for them. For us.
There's our salad.
Smoked salmon.
Smoked salmon.
Salmon salad.
She's leaving. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye, hello. Hello. Dako naman eh. Dako naman eh.
Bye-bye.
Not me.
So where are we going next?
I don't know. Where do you want to go?
Coffee.
Tea. Lemongrass tea.
We are here at Blue Jay Coffee and Company, and I'm with Julie. Hello, Father.
Vlogger.
Thank you sa mooncake. And coffee na walang laman.
Uy, ito. Nag-brew ako.
Nagbo-brew daw ng kape.
Nakikita mo ba yan?
Yeah, yan si Father.
Ano ko, goyo.
We're going to shoot a video.
Yung kind.
So, inaayos. Thank you so much, Father Neo, for the time. And I think our video will be out soon. So, I am now on my way to the Archbishop Palace because my dinner daw for the summit tomorrow. So, see you there! Dinner by the Iloilo River with Tita Joy. Say hi.
Hi.
Where are we?
This movie.
This is the Muli Deli restaurant. So we're going to have dinner here with all the speakers
Also,
and Bishop Lazo of the Archdiocese of Haro. So this is a good place for a date, no, Tita? Overlooking. This is Archbishop Lazo.
Okay.
Welcome to Iloilo.
Okay.
What are you buying?
Pringles. And then this, but I don't know.
What's that?
It's M&M's shake.
Oh.
It's 145.
I want this.
It's 200 to Benny Man.
So we are now here at SNR after dinner together with my cousin Anya. We went here to get a few things and after that we'll go home. So I'll end the vlog here for today and see you tomorrow maybe. So bye!